In this video, we'll set an animation to trigger when 25% of it enters the viewport, a perfect interaction style for landing pages and narrative content. Open the Export panel and select SVG. Under Animation, select On Scroll into View. The animation triggers when 25% of the element becomes visible in the user's viewport. You can control when the animation triggers based on how much of the element is visible. Adjust the threshold to determine the trigger point. 50% means the animation starts when half the element enters the viewport. By triggering animations as users scroll, the page doesn't have to process everything up front. This minimizes CPU usage and improves page performance by avoiding simultaneous animation processing on load.